Hello and welcome back to a new episode of my travel diary. So after 2 months traveling, we are now heading back up north. We are going to England, but first, after we have been on the ferry, we're gonna be in Gibraltar again. Today we had a little bit more time in Gibraltar, so our first goal was to visit the old town a bit, and then we wanted to go to the Botanical Gardens in Gibraltar. After a walk around in the old town, it took us just like 5 minutes to get from the old town to the Botanical Gardens.
All the people wanna go with desire, like the streaming with the fish in the ocean.
I've been to a lot of botanical gardens in the last years, and I have to say the one in Gibraltar is not really big, but it is so lovely because you can see the coast all the time.
Life moves with all the surprises.
We were really lucky with the weather because there were no clouds at the sky at all, so we could enjoy the sun for one last time.
And you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to follow. All the people wanna get in the circus, trying hard to keeping up with the Joneses. Every thorn is kind of trouble and purpose. And you're lying in a bed of roses. I never dreamed of getting in the action. Life moves with all the surprises. I never tap the chemical reaction. It comes down to this. You're gonna be a tough act to follow. And you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to follow. You're gonna be a tough act to follow. Like the way I got up from the start, I was under pressure. I feel I got away. It comes down to this. You're gonna be a tough act to follow, and you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to
After this lovely walk around the Botanical Gardens in Gibraltar, we had to go back to Spain and drove all the way up to France. It took us 3 days to go from Gibraltar up to the north of France to Calais, where we had to get our ferry on the next day. We've just visited a few more oceans before we had to go back to the ferry. Hello and good morning, everyone. Yeah, we are still in France on our way to England. So today we're gonna go to the ferry and we're gonna go to England. As you can see, the weather looks like England, not like Spain anymore. So the road trip is more or less over. But yeah, my trip is not over. So the next few weeks gonna be from England. I don't know, I want to travel around England a little bit, so let's see where I'm gonna go. I don't make plans, so I'm gonna make my plans in the next couple of days, what I'm gonna do in the next month. So yeah, we stayed here in this lovely hotel for one night, and now we just have like 1 hour and 30 minutes to the harbor, so not a long drive. But first we need to get gas and need to get something to eat. Yeah, we are now in the mall having some breakfast, and then we are going to Calais to the ferry terminal 1.5 hour drive in the car. So yeah, let's eat our breakfast, have our coffee, and then go back to the car. We've just arrived at the harbor, so just have to wait here for another hour or something, and then our car can go on the ferry, and then the ferry is heading to England in around 2 hours. So let's wait a bit, drink a coffee and have a snack. So yeah, our car is now on the ship, so we are going to leave France pretty soon, I think. So yes, a few pictures for you now from the ship. So as you can see, we are on the ferry. We are actually driving now, so it will take us a little bit longer than we are in England. We can already see it, so I think probably like 45 minutes or something, and then we're gonna enter England. Yeah, it's so exciting being back in England. Yeah, we are in England. We exited the ferry and we are now on the way to London. So it is another hour driving in the car. Yeah, more or less an hour. And then we are at our final destination for today. Yeah, if you like videos like this, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Then you're gonna see all my new videos from England as well. And you're gonna see all my travel stuff. So subscribe to the channel and support me with this. The whole road trip around Europe was really nice. I really enjoyed all the time in the different countries and with the different cultures. So if you haven't seen all of the videos, I'm gonna link you the playlist here and you can watch all of the videos. And we're gonna see us in the next week. Bye bye.